Hello guys, we are in the park, Vigilant Park. It's 200 sculptures here.
Yeah, more.
200, 220 I think.
Yeah, something like that.
And you can
I'm
see,
not a certified guide.
we were here, when was that? 3 years ago. Hello Louise, welcome to Vigilant Park, one of the tourist spots here in Oslo.
More on nature, no?
Huh?
More on nature.
Yeah. You can see, you know, a friend of mine from New York, she
Yeah.
came here 5 days only just to see this park.
Yeah.
Yeah. Our neighbor.